Alright man, I'm going to give you a rundown of this payphone prop. Now, as you see, right now I've got it in two pieces. So your front half, your back half. Back half gets mounted to the wall. Then front half gets clipped in and locked with this key here to keep it from being pulled off, just like it is a real payphone. The inside of the front half is where all the electronics are. So you've got the relay here, audio board, main processor, and then the 3.5mm jack, like I was talking about, goes out to my awesome external Panda speaker right now. And I am powered over USB, but I'm going to give you a 12-volt power cord that'll plug into this jack, which is basically right here, that you'll be able to plug into the wall. Alright, so right now I've got it set up with your two numbers, English and French version, built into it. And I'm going to pull those numbers up really quickly. 737 numbers. Alright, so what will happen is when it gets powered on, just like it is, when you pick this up, you'll hear the dial tone. You hang it back up, it'll go away. Now before I get too far, forget there's two buttons down in this area, if you can see them under that cable. Let's see, right in there. Alright, so the left one is a set number and the right one is a set timeout. The timeout number is when you pick this up, even if I'm punching numbers in, if I let a certain amount of time, the default being 30 seconds, go by, you get that annoying off the hook buzz. You have to hang it up and pick it up to redo it. So you've timed out. You got to start completely over. The set number button will do all of your reprogramming for the phone itself. So currently I've got a random number set up for one of your audio files, and we'll reprogram it to your actual number just to show you how easy it is and go from there. So currently, if I pick it up off the receiver, just put it up here for now. The receiver speaker actually works too. You just hear the external being played. So your English file is all on ones right now. So 10 digits.
If you call me, you should know what to do with the following sentences.
Alright, so I'll hang up. And if I want to reprogram that one really quickly, I'll go in here and hit that set number.
Please set phone number.
Alright, set phone number. You have 10 different numbers, 0 through 9. So this one is actually 0 because it's first in the list. So if I hit 0.
0. Selected.
Alright, so now I'm going to put your number in. 737.
5, 2, 1. 0, 0, 4. No, number saved. Restarting.
Alright, so number is saved, restarting, so I'll hang up. So now if I enter that number,
Hi. If you called me,
so we just reprogrammed that to work on your correct number now. That's how easy it is to reprogram. If we do your other number, I believe it is 0048. You get your French version. So I've got both numbers already programmed and set. I'm going to hang up on this. And I'll show you that annoying buzzer. We'll give it, I'm going to reprogram the timeout for 5 seconds. So again, go down here, set timeout.
Please set timeout.
I'm going to do 0.
Timeout saved. Restarting.
So 5 seconds. I'm going to hang up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the annoying tone I'm talking about. So I can't do anything until I hang up and start over. I'm going to change that back to 30.
Please set timeout. 3, 0. Timeout saved. Restarting.
So I'll hang up now. And I should be able to hang this up on the wall and be ready to play the game. Thanks, dude.